Well, welcome to another segment of Mark and Melody in the Kitchen, where we are trying my recipe of tater tots.
Tater tots.
That
homemade tater tots?
Homemade? I've never tried them before.
I've never had homemade tater tots.
Oh, really?
But I have leftover potatoes. I had some leftover baked and boiled. These were boiled.
Boiled?
Is that okay? And turned them into hash browns. So.
Well, this is a new recipe for me, Mark. I haven't tried it yet.
So again, you at home get to experiment with us to see how it turns out.
Exactly. Yeah,
This is fun.
and it doesn't have to be perfect, but it usually always does because God is so wonderful.
Yeah.
He is.
When Melody mentioned this to me, I'm like, really? You want to do tater tots? I can get a bag for $1.99, you know.
Well, you could, but most
Actually,
of the
they're
time
kind
they
of
have
expensive.
tons of grease in them, you know, loaded with salt and oil. And my kids used to love these when they were little. They called them Tater Hots.
Tater tots.
Tater Hots, because they were always real hot. And I think that's what they thought I was saying.
Okay, so what's your game plan? Because I see vegetables out here.
Well, I want to jazz them up a little bit because I like these kind of flavorings. So I am going to put a little onion and
A little onion. This is a double onion recipe.
and I
Brenda
can't reach that
will
one.
not have any of this.
Oh, Brenda won't try this. No, that's plenty.
You're just getting a little color in there.
I want some color there.
Flavor too, but yeah.
And this is a little flour. And this is a gluten-free flour.
Right.
And I want to put just a little bit of flour in here to help
Every
bind.
recipe I've seen has a couple tablespoons of
Yes, flour. And here's my
eggs.
egg.
Ground flaxseed and water.
Yeah.
And usually 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed is equivalent to 1 egg. And then you just add some warm water to it, and pretty soon you got the same consistency as an egg. So you're getting a healthier option to use it either as a binding agent in this case.
Yes.
Or an
Now,
egg
Mark,
substitute.
if you'll throw in the potatoes.
You want all of it? You're just
I
gonna
think
go for
so.
it?
Yeah, let's go. Let's go for it.
I got some more if you need them.
Okay. I think we're going to be good.
the next recipe.
And I think what I'm going to have Mark do is
I'm gonna
put
grab
a
my
glove
gloves. Yeah, I was just thinking.
on his hand because they're kind of big for me, so I can't really do what I want to.
Yeah, I
with
need
them.
to get you some extra small gloves.
Yeah.
I really do.
Between my ears and my hands, that's my smallest feature. All right, I'm going to let you go for that, and I'm going to come around you
Well, and
here.
this is perfectly fine here.
I think
I
it
mean,
looks
this is
really
really-
good. I want a little bit.
Oh, you're
of,
going to spice it up a little bit?
I do.
Okay.
I want a little bit of seasoning in there. That's a
Yeah,
little.
because there's no seasoning in here. Oh, yeah, you need a lot. Use a lot.
Well, I will.
I would overspice this one. if I
You're
were
going to
you.
overspice this.
So you're
one.
using onion and garlic here.
Onion and garlic. And
It looks
salt.
so pretty.
It does look purty,
It
doesn't
really
it?
does, yeah.
We want purty. All right.
I'm trying not to mash it. I'm trying to keep it.
I see what you're doing. You're folding it in
Yeah,
nice.
but it is kind of getting
Does
more
it
and more
need
mashed
any
as
more
I come
flaxseed?
along.
Do you know? Do you
I don't
feel
think
like it
so.
has
I mean, it's
okay.
it's getting everywhere. So, and it's sticking together. So I think you're there. We just need to start making our tater tots.
Well, what
Okay,
I'd like
I'm
to
gonna go
try.
like this.
No.
Wait, no. I'm going to get a perfect tater tot here. It might take me an hour, but I'll get it
Why?
because I'm
Why?
a perfectionist.
Okay, well, let's do it this way.
There we go. There's our perfect tater tot right there. That'll be $3.99.
That's too big. Tater tots are about that big.
Oh, you squeezed it. My poor tater tot.
I want you to put some right in there.
I'm guessing you're not going to want to do all this because this
No,
is...
no, I'm not going to do all of it.
So we'll do one batch here at a time.
Right.
Okay.
All right. All right.
I might as well get over there as far as I can. These will be big tater tots. These are super taters. We'll call them super taters.
Super taters. Now
Yeah, I
this,
see what you're doing there.
You see what
Boom,
I'm
2
doing.
points.
Huh? You see what I'm doing here, huh?
Yeah. That's going to get your consistency of size for sure.
Mine are going to be square tots.
Square taters. I was just going to say square it up there. No, you can round it off real quick.
I
though.
think you can.
Yeah. But that's tightening it up, so that should help
I
quite a
want
bit.
to tighten it.
I got flour on me.
Yeah, when you wear black, that's the only sad thing. I'm going to roll it out. Tighten it up. Think it'll be all right?
I hope so. We're going to try it. Oh, there you go. I was going to say roll it right off the paper, but...
You need a little bit of...
Where do you want me to cut?
You know, I want just about, you know... That's a big tater hot. Oh, you don't even need this.
No, no. It's like sushi.
It does look like sushi, doesn't it?
Okay.
Awesome. Oh, isn't God wonderful?
Are you liking that?
I'm loving this. I'm
Okay.
not liking it, I'm loving it. Those are big tater tots. We'll call these Mel's jumbo
Taters,
tots.
Yeah.
Is that another TM?
Yeah.
Those are going to be big ones.
And these are even going to be super taters.
Yeah. So you know when you go into McDonald's,
Let's do that. Let's do a big one like
and they
this.
say you want a supersize. Well, when you come to Mark and Melody's, just say supersize it.
Let's do this. Let's do another batch on another pan with them that big and see what happens. I mean, we're experimenting, right?
That's right.
I'm going to try to make them as big as I can there. So it'll be super vegetators. So anyway, because I'll have to get another pan, but they're going to go in the oven for
I'm going to put them in the oven for probably about 35, 40 minutes. And if it takes more time, I'll let you know. But every oven varies as far as the temperature.
Put it at 375, kind of crisp it up on the outside.
I think so, because you're going to cook the onions and the bell peppers, but basically you've got to get those potatoes brown.
Let's do it.
Let's try it.
We'll come back and show you the finished product. All right. Your tater tots are done. My super tater tots.
I was going to say, those are colossal.
And you've got your
jumbo.
tater tots.
Yes, look at these.
These actually look, what I did was I put these in later, but then I spun them around. I just flipped them around to get a little more browning action on them. I think I should get these right in the middle.
Like you should.
So, and they're really turned out very well. I mean, these are fantastic. So.
And there's we didn't put any oil in these, did we? Yeah, spread them apart. Nice. That was for try number one. I mean, that's how easy. Yeah. Folks, when you go into the kitchen, you want to cook with a recipe, even if you haven't tried it before, just go for it. Oh, this is my piece. I want to try it. I love potatoes.
Tater tots. But they look like sushi.
Well, yeah. Hey, maybe we could do potato sushi. Maybe that's another segment.
Yeah, vegan sushi.
Vegan sushi roll.
Yeah. Potato sushi rolls. Wrap them with seaweed.
Seaweed. The wheels of culinary are just spinning.
Those are delicious. Those are absolutely delicious.
Really good.
I think what we need to do is eat these. Just you guys. Thank you all for tuning in, but I've got to go for another one. These are really good.
We're going to have to go for a walk.
Just goes to show you how easy it is to cook in the kitchen, especially when
They're really good.
Especially when you got Melody helping you simplify your life in the kitchen. So there you go. Great food. We'll see you next time.
Good. That is really good.